my name is David and I'm a student of EHS Limited and I enrolled for Python programming. I'm to show you my presentation on the Itchy website I created. So the Itchy website is all about Star Shawarma. Here in Star Shawarma, you can come and order things online. Things like smoothie, shawarma, then for the local you can come and order things online like beef burger, shawarma, pizza. Then we still have local dishes like pounded yam and egg sauce. We have pasta, we have smoothies, chips and egg sauce, Fuji fried rice. You can also this is the end of my presentation. Thank you to EHS Limited. Thank you to my instructor, and I'm looking forward in going to my back end.